Yes, many Philips TVs are smart TVs, but not all models come with smart functionality. Most of Philips' modern TVs, especially their mid-range and premium models, are equipped with smart features. They run on platforms like Android TV or the proprietary Saphi operating system, offering access to popular streaming apps such as Netflix, YouTube, Disney+ Hotstar, and more. The Android TV models provide a more versatile experience with access to the Google Play Store, voice control via Google Assistant and Chromecast built in. On the other hand, the Saphi platform is simpler and more streamlined, making it ideal for users who prefer basic functionality without too many complexities. If you're considering a Philips TV, check the model specifications to confirm its smart capabilities. For non-smart models, you can always add smart functionality using external devices like a Fire Stick or Roku. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.